Yes, 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 you mad Etsy people. Check out this mad breaking news, man. Another bit of Etsy news right now. Look at this. It says Etsy tests competing ads and shop seller notice strange ad spend fluctuations. Guys, I want to know if you've seen this happening to you. Let me explain it first though. But before I do, if you love Etsy news, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell to get more updates in your feed, man. In your feed. Now look at this. It's crazy. This is what's happening right now. Like listings are appearing right below the shop ones, right? From other sellers. And you know, customers that come on to buy something from the store might accidentally click something from somebody else's store and buy theirs, which is a bit mad. So tell me, are you noticing something right now? Listings appear, right, below your own shop ones, or maybe above the feedback somewhere from other store owners. Are you noticing that in your store, mate? If you are, drop a comment below. Let me know, mate. Let me know, because some people are saying this is a bit of a mad one. Like, you know, it's actually taking customers away from their own stores, which is a bit mad. That's a strange bit of thing that's been happening lately from some sellers. Now, the other big one, like crazy one, and I just don't know what the hell's going on here, mate. But literally, apparently, there's some strange spend patterns happening with regards to cost per click rates or ad spend, right? Now, what's been happening, and this is very recent, by the way, is that some people are saying that their rates of CPC are going a bit nuts, right? The rates of CPC are going from like 0.5 of a dollar, so 50 cents, to $1.50, and then it jumps back again. And that's just mad, right? That's just mad. Like one seller saying, look, one day the CPC is 50 cents, which is normal for my products. Then the next day it goes to $1.25 or $1.50 the next day. So guys, have you seen some strange fluctuations in CPC costs? Like, you know, is there a strange pattern happening, something that is out of the ordinary that you've noticed? And again, these are things that do affect sales. Like if your CPC is going, you know, way high, your ad spend is going to be way, way more. And obviously then you might not make a profit, because you're actually basing you're factoring in your ad spend with regards to your profits, obviously, right? So here's a quick graph of alternating CPC. Look at that, that's crazy, right? Yeah, so basically it's fluctuating, right? Check this out. Absolutely happening to me, man. Including yesterday was a high day. I had a listing get one click and it cost $1.98 for one click. That's crazy. And the CPC for a bestseller more than triples on a high day. I mean, I don't know what this is. I personally don't know what the hell is going on. For it to go up from like a 0.5, 0.6 or 60 cents to something like a $1-2 is really, really tough. Really, really bad. So are you experiencing this fluctuation, guys, on your CPC, on your ad spend? Please let me know in the comments below, because it is definitely happening to some sellers. But is it happening to you? Because listen, if you get this and you don't get this kind of right, then obviously this is a big issue, man. A big issue. So ad spend fluctuations have been happening lately, but is it happening to you? Are you using ads? Are you seeing the cost per click, you know, jumping up from something silly like 0.5 to $2? Is that happening to you? If it is, please let me know. Guys, the other bit of like recent news that has come out is that Etsy is testing AI review summaries. So summarizing through AI the reviews for sellers, right? And this is something I know that Amazon are using anyway, right? And I know there's been a lot of complaints about it. But literally what it is that the AI, Etsy AI, will summarize some of the reviews that the customer, the seller gets, right, on the reviews, right? But this is causing a huge issue, right? Check this out. Check this out. One seller says, I had one review say it was smaller than expected. This is about the product. That info is in the description, and yet it gets highlighted by the AI, right? Now, what's happening is, so the AI is highlighting some of the negative reviews in a way, where some sellers have got, fantastic hundreds, of fantastic reviews, yet the AI review summary somehow highlights some of the, I guess, negative reviews. This seller said, saying it unfairly highlighted a very small number of negative points out of over 1,500 reviews. So clearly this AI test that Etsy are doing is causing a big issue, and sellers obviously, and I don't blame them, hate it. So have you had anything like that? They're testing it out, and this is like very recent news. So have you seen anything on your reviews that have been like that looks strange? Summarized product reviews in a kind of negative way. I know that Google, Amazon, so many of these massive platforms are kind of on that. But even now, I've heard that Amazon reviews, Amazon have had a lot of pushback from their sellers, and a lot of them are complaining. So even Amazon might be changing that AI review summary thing quite soon. But I just hope that Etsy doesn't, they're testing it out. I hope they don't go through with it. They probably will go through with it because they're just going to follow what everybody else is doing. But I hope they make sure that they don't, they reflect positively on what's happening with a lot of great stores, Etsy stores out there. But like I said, this is another little, change that is unnecessary. I mean, if something is working and it ain't broken, why are you trying to fix it? It doesn't make sense to me. Like, I know they want to like streamline and make things easier, but we're sick of these bots, man. Sellers are actually, making a lot of money for the platform. So we need to be looked after. I keep saying it over and over again. Look after your sellers and they'll look after you, man. They'll look after you. But let me know in the comments, have you seen anything strange with regards to your Etsy reviews? Have you seen a weird summary that's that is on your pages, your product reviews, and have you been highlighted unfairly in any of the reviews? I would love to know. Drop it in a comment below, and like I said, I will keep you updated with all the Etsy news as usual. Drop a like, drop a sub, and I'll see you on the next one, mate. Take care.